Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want. Remember the days we shared together. Love and me is all I ask from you.
My name is Fred.
My name is Lola.
Lola, you are gorgeous. Wow. Look, can we grab drinks later? Just get to know each other.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take your number so I can give you a call.
Hi, darling.
Hey,
I'm
babe.
done.
Yeah? Really?
Yes, Sam.
That was fast. Oh, my God.
It's calling me.
I'm sure the love I have with you, but how am I sure that
remembered me
you
today.
are mine?
So tell me.
You're everything to
right? And you want me
me.
to come and give you some sugar?
I know that you
No. You didn't miss me. You missed my honey pot. Then say it. Tell me you miss my honey pot, and also explain to me how how badly you're craving to have it. Aww, you're good at your worst, you know that. I'm dripping already. Now tell me, is your weapon strong? Powerful enough to dissect into my honeycomb? I dare you. See you in 10, okay? Let me... Not to buy. Hi, driver, let's go. So here I am, daring into your face. Take me, just like you said, and expect everything in me and leave no space untouched.
I love it. Go, 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 go. Okay, look, just find somewhere and hide, okay, until I take her upstairs.
Frederick, I don't like this. I mean, this is embarrassing. You told me she traveled and then, what's this?
She left this morning. I don't know why she's back. I'm surprised.
I hate you.
I know, and I'll make it up to you, okay? Come on, come on.
Pascal. Yes.
Babe. Hey, baby.
Sweetie.
You're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Hi. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm just surprised that you came back early.
Are you not happy to see me back?
Of course I'm happy to see you back. I'm just surprised you left early to see your mom and now you're back. What happened? What changed?
Well, my mom flew to Katsina for emergency women's meeting.
Katsina, huh? That's far. Yeah, anyway, welcome back, baby.
Thanks, my love.
Yeah.
Why do you... Are you okay? Something seems a little off.
Off?
Yeah.
I'm fine. I'm just excited that you're back.
Are you sure?
100%, baby. Come here.
What's that sound?
What sound?
There's this sound coming from the kitchen. What's that?
I didn't hear anything. It's probably rats or something.
Rats?
Yeah.
In my kitchen? In my house? Oh, how is that possible?
Well,
Pascal, have you seen rats around this vicinity?
Rats?
Yeah.
I think they are rats.
All the time. All the time.
In my kitchen?
Baby.
No, let me check it. I know.
Baby, you
No,
don't
I
need
have to check.
Babe, wait now. What are you going to do to... Babe.
I have to see. Where is it?
Babe.
Why is it now? Hey! Yes, young lady. Who are you and how did you get into my house? I'm asking you a question. Who are you?
Babe, this is obviously Pascal's girlfriend. Because there's no way she could have gained access into this house without his invitation.
Pascal.
Yes, it's true, man. She's my girlfriend.
Pascal, are you not civilized? Don't you know that it's inappropriate for you to bring in a stranger into our home?
I'm sorry, sir. It will not happen again. I promise.
It better not. For your sake and for the sake of your job. Do you understand me?
I'm sorry, sir.
So, what's your girlfriend's name?
Her name is Maurice.
Mari.
Yes, ma'am.
She's beautiful. But please, I wouldn't want you to bring her to my house again. Please.
I'm sorry, man. It won't happen again, I promise.
Can you imagine? Please leave. You guys should just leave this place, please.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am.
Are you mad? Will you drop your hand from my waist?
It's fine. I miss you.
Okay, what is wrong with people? You give them a handshake, they want to take your entire arm.
It's okay.
Can you imagine Pascal?
It's fine. I've told him not to bring the girl. It's fine, baby.
I'm honestly upset, but I'm so happy that you're back.
Yes, baby. I miss you.
I miss you
I'm
too.
sure the love I have with you, but how you everything to me, baby. I know that you are mine. Oh, oh, oh. You everything to me, baby.
Hey, what's up?
I'm fine. That reminds me. Yesterday, I overheard you talking to someone. Honey, your conversation with him was so romantic. tea. You know. So when am I meeting this new catch?
You mean my boo?
Cut the crap. Yes, and stop pretending.
Okay, he's not in town at the moment. But I promise you'll get to meet him soon.
Okay, so are you still coming for your spa session today?
Of course. You know I don't joke with my monthly skin routine. Wait, my boo is calling me. Hello, baby. My boo is in town. I'm okay, and you? Okay. You want me to prepare something for you? Okay. Egg, yam, and sauce. Alright. Alright, baby. See you soon.
Yeah, I go love you. I must love this love. I must love. Seriously.
See this one. If you get mine, go talk am for your boo front.
You know now I can't say that in his presence. I love my man so much.
Hey.
Babe, come on. I'm making breakfast.
Definitely made the right choice. Ooh. Body just to me. Maybe, you know what? Just leave breakfast, alright? I want to eat something very important.
Come on, baby. We finished making love like a few minutes ago before I came to the kitchen to make us breakfast.
Baby, who made the rule? I don't mind having this thing every 2 seconds. Baby, let's go. Let's go.
Okay. You know what? Just give me 5 minutes. Let me just round off.
Give you what?
Please, let me just finish.
Baby, I want to take it now. I want to take it in the kitchen.
Just
What do you
stop.
mean?
Can you stop?
I'm serious. I want to take one in the kitchen. Baby, we need to take. We need to do it randomly. I'm ready. Maybe should I pull up?
No.
And here comes the 3 Musketeers. Fredo! Bad boy. How fun. Man. How fun.
Man, what's the guy Alpha?
All right. Okay.
Alpha guy.
Oh.
Madame D.
Oh, she know they're around.
Sounds like business. Now we see men they free to
Freedom of speech.
100%. Sounds good.
How
Sounds
fun.
good.
Yeah, give me the gist. You know, say I like my gist hot.
Why you the rush now?
Darling.
Why you dey do like say you like gist pass any of us for here?
Yeah.
Okay, see, talking about gist, there's this new girl I met. See, if you see this girl, now my dream girl. Like, I dey see the girl for dream.
For real.
See, if you see her front side, proper milk factory. If I don't want to talk about the back when I go dey interested.
Oh yeah, okay, Alpha, you get her number.
Bros, calm down now. Why you the pressure? Relax.
Oh, I make it tell us now. Did you get her number? Why the guy they give us suspense? When
This one you're asking for a number, but this girl they off limit too. This girl is strictly for me. Military zone. Keep off. I'm not sharing this one.
Military zone, Abi.
I tell you.
Babes, where everybody, we all men, the chef for street, you reach your turn, you turn out to military zone.
Yes. This one is especially for me, I beg. May everybody just come on body.
Okay, me you guys know I don't like them fat and heavy. You know, I like them slim girls. So that
This one.
I can roll.
What's in the rule? Like
Roller coaster.
Guy, all these defense mechanisms, just talk truth. You don't get energy to carry women. Fake African, like, you know, like, you don't get the energy, just speak for nothing.
Africa.
I'm telling you.
Have you heard of it?
They say, all this was
Africa.
Shouldn't you consider yourself lucky that your husband gave you that much?
Yeah, I'm lucky. I'm happy. Don't get me wrong. I'm happy that he desires me, my body. I mean, it's amazing. It's lovable.
So what's the point?
He talks so much about physical attributes, how he loves well-shaped butts, round, succulent breasts. You know.
Is that a problem? But you have them all. I mean, your boots are indeed very soft. You have fine boobs. And the equation is balance.
That's my point. I'm not the only one that has beautiful, boobs and butts in this whole world. So if he's just obsessed about my physical attributes, then his love is questionable?
No, it's not. You're just being vulnerable to wrong perception. And that's playing tricks on you. Come on, I hope you're not thinking that your husband is cheating on you as regards to that.
Honestly, babes, I've thought about that countless times. I mean, look at it. I'm not the only woman with, So he sees many other...
Come on, girl. Do not give space for such perception. Because that's the first stage of incubating doubt, which can be damaging to every union. Seriously. Come on, baby girl. Your husband loves you so much. I know you love him too. That knowledge will always dwell in your head. Let me get my master to take care of you.
Okay, thank you.
I'll whoop your ass today.
I got this move for you. If I do this.
Oga, leave story, play game. Is that the best you can do?
Believe me, I got
Is that the
this
best you can do? Slow.
See what you did do.
Don't worry, this one.
This queen angel.
This one are my students.
Wait, I got it. What I'm going to do now? This guy
Bring your mind down.
Slow
Slow and steady. Just chill. Oga, play. I'll more bring newspaper for you.
Guys, she's calling. Speak. Keep quiet. Hello, Anita. How are you doing? See, Anita, it's not as you see me to be, okay? I'm being honest with you. I got busy with work, and honestly, right now I'm working on a contract. Yeah, I am here. Listen, Anita, I don't know for now. I just like I said, I'm busy. She don't drop. Wait.
Augustine, I'm working on the contract.
Which contract?
Wait. Who be that babe now? And why are you ditching her like that? I mean, she don't get all the necessary requirements.
You
understand.
Can't be that bad.
From it, yeah. See, she was everything.
So?
Everything I wanted in a woman. Not until I got down to her. When that girl ain't sweet in the middle.
Damn!
So, how did you manage? Like, what happened?
You won't believe it, bro. It was a nightmare, like a real one. But I had to use one of my ex's face to max out this so that I can. You don't believe. I wasn't funny.
No, Nolly the magician.
I'm sure the love I have with you, but how am I sure that you are mine? You are
Babe, Nolly and Frederick are birds of the same feather. And I don't want you to fall a victim.
What if he's different from Frederick?
Babes, I have known those guys long enough to write episodes on their nonchalant attitude towards women. Let go of Nolly. He's not the man for you.
But falling deep for him already. Please now, Hydra, understand.
Fall deep now and cry at the end. Listen, there are thousands of men out there who want you as a wife, not just as a girlfriend. You just have to be patient. The best man will definitely come for you.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay?
love is all I give to you. Remember the days we shared together.
What nonsense! What is this stupid man talking about? He's clearly insane. He has gone nuts. What is this?
Baby, what's going on?
Sweetie, you can't believe this. This stupid man is trending on social media, on all the blogs. He cheated on his wife. His wife took him to court. And guess what he said in his defense?
What did he say?
Okay? He said, it's a man's world. He's allowed to have as many women as he wants. But his wife is not allowed to have another man.
Is that it?
What do you mean, it's that it? Are you in support of the guy?
Baby, I'm not supporting the guy. They say it's a man's world. Plus, men have a higher sex drive.
They say it's a man's world. What do you say? I mean, I don't expect something like this from you. I mean, you're my husband. I don't expect to hear something like this from you. Are you supporting this guy?
Babe, I'm not supporting the guy. I'm just saying.
What are you saying? Please, to set the record straight, okay? Women have higher sex drives, okay? We have higher libido. We have we have intense sex drive. I don't know where you guys are getting all this from.
Okay, babe, calm down. I'm sorry if I offended you. Babe. Okay, fine, you win. I'm sorry now, come on. I'm not the guy, yo. Sorry.
Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want. Remember the days we shared together. Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want. Remember the days we shared together. From you.
My name is Fred.
My name is Lola.
Lola, you are gorgeous. Wow. Look, can we grab drinks later? Just get to know each other.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take your number so I can give you a call.
Hi, darling. I'm done.
Yeah? Really?
Yes, Sam.
Fast.
You're acting weird.
I'm fine.
You all right?
I'm fine.
Let's go then. Why are you wasting time looking around? Let's go.
Go where?
What do you mean, where are we going to? Go home, of course. Honey, are you sure you're alright?
Baby, I'm fine. I'm okay. Let's go.
What's the surprise?
I'm
Why are
fine.
you
I'm fine. I'm fine, babe. Let's go.
Hada, babe.
Baby girl, what's up?
Good, I'm fine.
I've been waiting.
Already. Guess what, baby?
What?
Guess.
Did you win a lottery?
Just guess.
You bought a new phone?
Hey, me get a new phone. We I want to see money buy new phone.
But you're holding one.
Just because I met a guy, a mistake called husband.
Okay.
He stopped me on my way here, requested we should hang out, demanded for my phone number, which I was in the process giving him. His wife suddenly showed up. Yes.
Go on.
Yes, so they both entered the car and drove off.
Oh, wait a minute. So you ran away with his phone when you saw the wife coming?
Before I'm coming, I don't come Lagos, come country.
This girl! Take it, baby girl! Wow!
Now the guy is useless now. Person will get wife, me no value in wife. Me, I don't come Lagos, come country. Me, I don't carry phone japa. Me don't go.
So you now have a new phone? Let's go, I've been waiting for you.
Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want. Remember the days we shared together. Love and me is all I ask from you.
Honey, are you looking for something?
I'm looking for my phone. I can't find it.
Have you searched the car? Maybe it's in the car.
Babe, I've searched everywhere. It's not there.
How did you misplace it then?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Why are we wasting time? Let me just call your number.
No, baby, you don't have to. Okay?
What do you mean I don't have to? You misplaced your phone. It might be in someone's possession. I need to contact the person.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm so tired right now. You could say that.
It's ringing.
Oh, it's ringing.
Ooh. This phone is ringing. I think his wife is calling.
His wife?
Yeah.
So what will you do?
Phone call. I'll pick it. Hello.
Yes, please, I'm the wife. Yes, that's my husband's phone. He misplaced it somehow, somewhere. So please, how do I see you so we can collect the phone from you?
Is that what your useless husband told you?
Excuse me?
Well, excuse. Take it or leave it. You are married to a mistake called husband.
No, please. I will not have you insult my precious husband. What is wrong with you?
You are still defending that pathetic shit. Anyways, that's your headache. Don't call this line again.
Good. Nonsense.
Yeah, I don't go with the phone.
What's up with the name calling? Do you know this girl before? Have you met her before?
I don't know her. I've never met her in my life.
Then why is she calling you names? By the way, how did she get hold of your phone?
I don't know. Maybe she stole it.
Okay, the parts where she called you useless and a cheat, what does that mean?
My dear wife, I'm as confused as you are. Maybe you know me. I'm your husband. I would never do that to you. Come on.
Yeah, you're right. What was I thinking? It's probably one of those girls out there, those useless girls out there. It's okay, honey. You have to get a new phone, okay? She doesn't sound like she's going to return the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
That's okay. It's just a phone, right? Yeah. Come on, let's go inside.
Get... You're just talking rubbish.
People are actually...
Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see this one again. It's not bad.
I think I like this one now. What do you think?
Really? Wow. You like good things, though. This is actually nice. I like it. I love it. I think it's perfect.
So I'm thinking, what if we've saved enough. What if we start paying instrumentally?
That's not a bad idea, but I think I'll prefer us to do a one-time payment so we can get the house documents at once.
Sweetie, eventualities. We don't know tomorrow. No one knows tomorrow, Something can just crop up and, take our money, So I think this instrumental payment is a wise idea. I mean, we'll save 60% of the fund, okay? Let's just pay 40% when it won't take us time to complete it.
Baby, trust me, I completely understand you, but we've been saving for this house for a minute, okay? And we can't use that money for anything else. Trust me. Getting that house is our primary goal. Anything else is secondary. Yeah?
I agree with you.
All right? Okay, we're gonna get that house.
Can't wait.
Right? Hey, baby. Hey. What's going on? Huh? Talk to me. Come on.
Like you don't know what's going on. Just stop the pretense.
Baby, if I knew, I won't be asking you. Huh? Come on, please, don't stop me from talking.
Then fulfill your promises towards me and have me as much as you want. This is not the vacation you proposed to me. Or maybe it's just one of those promises you make to women in bed.
Baby. Okay, babe. I know that I promised you a Dubai trip. I promised us a Dubai trip, and I'm going to make it happen. All right?
When? Give breath to your words. I can't be dwelling on promises.
Fine. Just pick a date and I'll make it happen. I'll call the agent.
Sure. No empty promises.
Baby, 100%. Oh, now you're smiling.
Thank you to my man.
Really? Baby, for this Dubai trip, you're going to do a lot of work.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope you're ready to spread.
Hi, Pascal.
Hi, good day, Mrs. Sarafin.
Good day, Pascal. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, ma. As you can see, I'm always doing my job.
I see that. You're a very dedicated young man. You put your all in this job despite its kind. It's amazing. It's intriguing. Keep it.
Thank you very much, ma. I also admire you a lot, and think you deserve the best things in life. In fact, you're the best.
Oh, really? Now I'm flattered.
Man, you don't have to be. I speak nothing but the honest truth. You deserve the best things in life, and you are the best.
Does that mean that my husband is lucky to have me?
Absolutely, man. Your husband is the luckiest man in the world. Yes, man.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. Thank you, man.
Is that your perfume?
Man?
Is that your perfume? I like the scent. What's the name?
Oh, really? It's called Familiar Collections. I could get you. I could get it for you if you don't mind.
Oh, really? I would love that. How much is it? I'll just quickly do a transfer to it.
No, man. Deals on me.
Oh, thank you so much, Pascal.
You're welcome, man.
I appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, go on.
Have a nice day.
Hi, sorry. My name is Fred.
My name is Natasha.
Tash?
Yes.
Wow. I must say that you're the finest Tash I've ever met.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. Listen, I hope you don't mind making new friends. I would love to give you a call sometime.
Sure, why not? But we can actually go to somewhere to chill right now if you don't mind.
Right.
Yes.
I would love to, but I have somewhere important I need to be.
No problem.
Yeah, but I'll call you.
Sure, I'll be expecting your call.
All right, let me take your number.
All right.
Tash. Ooh. Yeah.
All right now.
All right,
All right,
I'll talk to you later.
Please call me.
No, sure, I will. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Hi, Pascal.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day. What are you doing here? Today is supposed to be your work-free day.
Yes, actually it is. But I came to see you.
Oh, all right. Okay, you're welcome. Please sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's that?
The collection I promised you yesterday.
Oh, the perfume, the one I liked.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Exactly. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate this, Pascal. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. It's a pleasure.
Thank you. You're so kind.
Thank you very much. I'll be on my way now.
Immediately.
Yes, I have to work tomorrow, so I need to go relax.
Oh, yeah. So you have time to do your other personal things.
Yes.
I appreciate this. Thank you so much. All right. Have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye. Oh, this is nice.
It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me.
So, as I was saying, don't worry, I'm going to do. You understand? There's going to be changes in everything. Okay? Come and let me get some stuff that you'll be needing for. Oh, hello.
Hi, Hilda. Please, I need you to come to my house in the next 1 hour.
Seraphine, are you okay? Your voice sounds cranky.
I can't talk about it on the phone, okay? Frederick will soon come downstairs. I need you to come, please. He'll be leaving soon. Just come to my house in the next hour. Thank you.
Oh my God. I don't understand. What's happening here? Seraphine is practically crying. I hope she didn't have a fight with her husband.
Madam, please hurry up now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Come on, let me get my apron so that I can listen up. I'm so sorry. Tell me this is not true.
I wish I can close my eyes. Open them just to find out that everything is an illusion. But no, it's not. It's a reality. It's true. My dear husband planned a trip with his side chick. Hilda, he used the money that we've been saving to buy our own house to pay for everything.
I mean, what is wrong with men? What do men really want? What is it that completes them at all? You give them everything, yet they are not satisfied. They still go outside looking for more, scouting for something that will definitely destroy what they have labored for.
Do you know the ridiculous part? He also paid for her spa treatment.
What?
Apparently, he wants her to look good, look fresh, before embarking on the trip. So, he was testing him, asking for the best spa that she can go to. I walked in. Unfortunately for him, he was in the bathroom. So I replied her. I directed her to your spa and I deleted the messages.
Good. This is the most interesting part you just said. You acted smart by giving her those directions. An opportunity just presented itself. Yes.
But I don't know what to do. I don't know how to handle this.
You will deal with that girl. Make her life miserable before facing your husband. Yes. No street urchin will mess with my friend in such a manner. Girlfriend, listen. It is time for you to take your own pound of flesh on that useless girl. Yes. It is time.
Nothing will give me a greater pleasure than to see that bitch at my mercy.
I was glad to see it come to pass. I have a plan suitable for your liking. Come on, girl.
You everything to me, baby. I know that you are mine. I know that you are mine. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah. Babe. There's this conference coming up at the end of this month.
What conference?
It's a conference initiated by the chairman of my firm, and it's scheduled to hold in Dubai.
In Dubai?
Yes. Look, baby, I know it's sudden, but it's an official call and I have to be there.
Okay. Are you attending this conference alone or with some work colleagues?
Well, I was the only one assigned to represent the company.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see. It's a big win for you then.
Well, baby, it's a big win for us. This is for us.
I'm happy for us.
Exactly. That's the energy. You know what? We need to celebrate.
I'm not in the mood today. I have serious headache. Yeah, like my hand is pounding.
No, babe, are you okay? Do you need something you want me to massage you?
No, nothing. Don't stress yourself. I just need to rest, sleep, and I'll be fine.
Okay, baby. Good night, my love.
Good night.
Good night, babe. I love you.
Me, baby, I know that you are mine. Oh, 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 dirty weakness. Oh, dirty weakness. Oh, you promised to love me. You promised to care for me. You promised me joy. All you give is pain, tears and heartbreak. Oh, dirty weakness. Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want. Remember the days we shared together. Love and me is all I ask from you. Oh, dirty weakness.
What are those? It feels so hot and scratchy. My skin doesn't like it, please.
This is the best product for your skin, ma.
Okay. As long as my skin is going to be as smooth as silk, get it done. I want my skin looking so radiant and perfect. Ooh. I can't wait to be on the beach with my man, with the glowing skin on and my bikinis, you know. Hey, watch it.
Sorry, ma.
I can see you can't handle this section. You can let someone else do it if you can't do it.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Ooh. Imagine my Frederick. He never took that his stupid wife on a vacation. But look at me. I'm not his wife, but I have my way with things.
Sorry, ma. Sorry. Sorry.
Now me they run now. This thing doesn't feel right. My skin is itchy and scratchy. Feels so uncomfortable. I can barely move my legs. I can't move my hands. I can't even see.
I'm done. Like I said.
How can you be done? Aren't you going to get the wax off?
No. This is not a wax. What I used on you is a chemical, not a wax.
What? Are you out of your mind?
Yes. I mean, who wouldn't be? I am Frederick's wife. No. In your words, Frederick's stupid wife. Yes, I'm that stupid wife. Frederick spent our hard-earned money, the money that we've been saving to buy our own house, to pay for your trip, for your vacation.
Please, ma, you can't do this to me, please. I promise not to go close to your husband. I promise to go very far away from him. I'll stop talking to him. I'll block him everywhere. I'll block him on my WhatsApp, my Snapchat, my Instagram, my TikTok, everywhere. Please, I promise you, I won't talk to your husband again.
Says who? You know, you should be thanking me because ordinarily I would have aimed for your life. But no, you're not worth it. You're not worth it. You see, I don't have a fight with you. I have a fight with the stupid man I call a husband. From here, I'm going to meet him in the guest house where he's waiting for you.
Please help me. You can't do this to me. You can't leave me this way, please.
I hope you enjoyed your session.
Please help me. Somebody help me.
And your phone is not mine. I'll also pick up your clothes on my way out.
Help me, please, please, please. I promise.
I'm done with her. Go meet her. Don't let her die in your spa. Because I'm actually going out so
I'm here. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak.
Somebody please help me. Anybody can please. I'm supposed to be in Dubai in 3 hours.
What's going on here? What's going on here? Eh? I don't, oh my God.
Look at what your girl did to me. I can barely move my hands, my legs.
Oh my God. It seems what she used on you cannot be removed. It will take a long time to be removed. Oh,
What? Are you saying I'm going to live with this on my skin?
I'm afraid.
This is very painful.
I'm afraid, so
I can't handle this pain. I need to see my doctor. Please just get me out of here, please. Help me with my clothes.
Your clothes? I'm so sorry. Where are they? I can't find them all. Where did you keep your clothes?
You mean she left with my clothes? Okay, help me with my phone then.
Where is your phone? I can't find it either. Is it? I don't understand.
What is this? What am I going to do?
I just want to ask you. Calm down, calm down. Let me ask you. Is there anything? Why would Seraphine do this to you?
Don't ask me stupid question. Just look for a means to help me.
Okay, little miss, don't worry. I will just get out there and look for something for you to wear and go, okay?
Please, just help me. Help me. Any way you can help me, please. Help me get out of here.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be in Dubai in 3 hours. Help me.
Don't worry, I will try for you.
Surprised to see me in this guest house?
Babe. What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? You're confused. Well, I know everything. I know about the trip. You sliced our savings just to take your side chick on a trip. I know everything. I'm just coming from the spa. The spa that you also sponsored her for. I was the one that attended to her. You know, I arranged everything after reading your chart with her. And guess what? I did a very great job on her. A section that she will never forget for the rest of her miserable life. Frederick, you disgust me. You disgust me.
Babe. Babe. Babe.
Tell me what to do. It is over for me.
Babe.
Don't touch me, don't!
Babe, please just wait. Baby, wait.
I said don't touch me!
Wait, please. Just listen to me. I'm sorry. Hey, please forgive me, babe.
I should forgive you. Frederick, you didn't only cheat on me. You used the money we've been saving to get a new house. You used it to sponsor another woman on a vacation. Frederick, on a vacation! Something that you've never initiated with me before. Have you taken me on a trip before? Have we gone on a vacation before?
I'm sorry.
How dare you? Oh, I see. Okay, I am the pathetic housewife whose only duty is in your kitchen and your bedroom, right?
Babe, I'm sorry.
You humiliated me. Frederick, you betrayed me. How dare you? How could you do that to me?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, baby, please forgive me. I promise to work on my weakness, please. Babe.
To hell with you and your weakness.
Baby, please.
Stop.
Babe, wait, just stop. Baby.
Don't know where to go from here. It is over for me. It is over. It is over for me. It is over. It is over for me. This is where the journey ends. It is over for me. My mistakes is all I see. It is over for me. It is over. It is over for me. It is over. It is over for me.
Who is this? Hello, Hilda Spa and Glow speaking.
Hi, Hilda. This is Frederick.
Frederick? Which Frederick, please?
Frederick, your friend's husband.
I'm sorry, how may I help you?
Hilda, Please, I need your help. I'm going insane. I can't stand Seraphine leaving me.
After cheating on her, what were you expecting? Were you hoping for a treat? An open celebration? Or a giveaway shout out? Really? Frederick, let me ask you this question. Do you realize the humiliation you gave to her?
Look, I do realize that, okay? I failed, I messed up, but I need you to help me. Where do you think I can find her?
Really? Whoever told you I was going to enroll such information to you should be sick in the head.
Hilda, please. I need your help. I'm trying to make this right, please.
Okay, so why calling me? Eh? Did you offend me? You called the person you offended.
I've called her, but she's not picking my calls, please. And I know she will listen to you.
Listen, Mr. Frederick, there are boundaries to all those things. You created the mess yourself, and you're expecting someone else to clear the path for you. It's not possible. You asking me to beg Seraphine on your behalf. It's like telling me to sabotage her feelings for your sake.
I understand that, but I'm still hoping on you, please.
Well, I do not guarantee you that, but I'll think about it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Rubbish.
Eh? Stupid man. You ruined your own yourself. And you were expecting someone to come and fix it for you. So men are just kids. What do? I have to wait for a friend. Let me call Seraphine. Hello?
Hilda, I didn't expect this call from you. I mean, you're the last person. I can't imagine after what Frederick did, you're calling to beg me.
My dear, you have to take it easy. Please, forgive him. Okay? Forgive him and let go of everything. You have to let everything off. Give him a second chance.
I don't have such place in my heart to forgive the kind of devastation that man put me through. He cheated on me, humiliated my feelings, abused my place in his life, and you are here. You are there asking me to forgive such a man?
He will stop calling me to help him, babe.
Then block him if you cannot handle his calls. I haven't gotten over what he did to me, okay? So I'm not sure. I cannot forgive. I will not forgive it. I will not.
It's okay, but let me ask you a question. Do you want to let everything off? Everything you labored for? The sacrifice you put in for this marriage to work? Do you want to just allow it cool down the drain? I don't understand.
For my sanity, yes. It's worth abandoning. And please, Hilda, I do not wish to discuss this any further. If you respect our friendship, respect the boundaries as well. Thank you.
She ended calling me. This is serious.
Heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me.
Guy, now, wow. How you take lose guard like that? She got you. You're a smart guy. Eh? I take a fop like that now.
What is the color of your problem? What did they worry you? You are seeing that your guy is sad. You are talking of he's a smart guy. Is this the right time for this discussion? This is not the right time for this kind of talk now.
Guy, I go be honest with you. You don't get the sense to navigate situations, I swear.
At all.
See somebody with in pain. In life don't reduce to 15% now. Come on now. This is not the time to be joking around with his predicaments.
Guys, it's not like I'm too serious about it. You know, I was just cruising. You know, you guys should all know that.
Papa, how would you be cruising with somebody's misery? See, ma tell you, guys, time will come When we go use all these matter cash cruise, we'll laugh about it. Eh? But for now, let's calm down. And now, our guy now, let's just wait. Make his wife come back first.
And we know his wife will definitely come back. When he goes to when we could do all those fake apology, the wife will definitely come back. So why you the rush?
Wait till you come in now. So you mean say Baba Fred do nah fake apology in the or is it do?
No. Fred, calm down now. Fred, it's a joke. Baba don't carry us seriously.
But true, Baba Fred don't know playing game well. So, I gotta be honest with you. But the guy na sharp guy now. I don't know what it could happen.
Like say if he's always picking ass now, he must go after.
Go waka. I go punish you. I go finish. No, I stole you, my friend.
Hello?
Mr. Crawford? Sound busy in the back room.
I'm honestly trying my best. Yes. I'm not saying she will not come. She will definitely come back. Okay? You just have to be patient. Give her some time, considering what transpired between both of you.
Hilda, I want to be a different man to her. Do the things I've never done, cook for her, serve her breakfast in bed. I just want to make it right.
It's okay. I'll put no effort.
Thank you, Hilda. I appreciate your help. And could you do me one more favor, please?
Which is?
I want everything to be a surprise. Is that possible?
It's not a problem. If only you do good by her.
I promise. I will.
You promise. Okay.
How did I fall in love with you?
If you are calling because of Frederick, don't even bother, okay? Because I'll cut this call before you get a chance to say anything.
Now what for you? So I cannot call my friend to have a decent conversation.
That's the situation you openly embraced. What more can I say?
Anyway, that's not why I called you. So how have you been? I just called. You know I miss you.
I'm still not buying this. You know where I am, Hilda. So what's up?
I know, but that's not the point, you know. When are we going to sit out, have some drinks, party hard like the good old days, you know? They treat on you.
Now you got me. I really do miss you a lot, my... the party had to be precise. I didn't realize how much, commitment took away from me until now.
Don't worry. They treated on me. I miss you too. So, deal?
Amen. See you, okay?
Good. See you too.
I'm so sorry for everything. I was stupid and I was wrong. Please, forgive me, babe. Please. Okay, I'm going to do better, I promise. I want to be a better man for you. For us. Please. It won't happen again. Wow. You look amazing. Babe, I made something for you.
I missed you.
I missed you too. I made something for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Love is all I give to you, baby. Love is all I want. Remember the things we shared together. Love and me.
You made all these.
Yes, I did. I serve you. It's okay.
Gosh, girl, the memory is still fresh in my head. I mean, Frederick has never treated me like that before. The experience was something else. The romantic settings, the food, the love making. God, damn, girl, it was heavenly. You know, Frederick became a god on my body. He worshipped it while exploring every part of my body, bit by bit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My honeypot was awoken. Oh my goodness. This is such a great experience. I didn't want it to end. I wish I can have it every day, every minute, every second. It was wow. I can't even explain it.
I am speechless. Seriously.
Sweetheart, I want more of it. I don't ever want to get over. I mean, I literally went to heaven and returned. Honestly. Like, I'm not even joking.
Okay, listen. That was a reconciliation sex. It is usually different from the usual ones. Stop anticipating such energy because it can never happen again, you know? Except you want to create a navigating channel for a conflict between you and your husband. Listen, girl, you have to relax because it will never come every day.
Call me crazy girlfriend, but I don't mind initiating conflict so I can get reconciliation sex in return. Don't mind me, I'm joking. And of course, you know I always go with peace. There are other ways to spice up our sex life. But the experience was amazing.
I know, you're right. You're right. Mommy, you made peace with your husband.
Yeah.
Come on, you made it.
Champagne, baby.
Of course, I know.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, come in. Hi. Wow. Hilda.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Seraphine is not taking our calls. And we have an appointment today.
Yeah, she left in a hurry and she forgot her phone. I think she went to the supermarket.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
Then.
Hilda. Wow. You are such a beautiful woman. Why did it take me so long to realize this?
Am I supposed to take that as a compliment? Or...
It's definitely a compliment. I mean, wow. You are gorgeous.
Thank you.
This boy. Whoa, hold on. Wow. Look, I know that you're my wife's friend, but I think it's about time you get to know me. All right? I think we should get to know each other. Just, you know, explore each other.
Frederick, are you out of your mind?
No, I'm not out of my mind. I'm just saying that, look, we're adults, okay? I find you very attractive and...
Unbelievable. Is this whom Seraphine got married to?
Okay, just calm down, okay?
Oh my God. So you're not really ready to change?
Relax, like I said. My wife doesn't have
You're
to know about this.
obviously proud of being a cheat. You're despicable animal.
Hilda. Hilda. Shit. Ah, shit. Oh.
I am sorry.
if Frederick could make such an attempt with you, knowing fully well that you are my best friend, then he's a dog. Yes, it's certain. It's clear now. I am married to a dog.
I feel terrible begging you to go back to him. I feel very terrible.
You don't have to feel that way. You did what a good friend could have done. So don't blame yourself. I appreciate you for that. I will not confront him. I'll pretend like you never told me. I have my own plans. I don't want to rush things. There's something I have to do before I make my final decision.
I don't know what is in your mind. But whatever decision you're taking, I am solidly behind you. Okay?
It's okay, take it easy on yourself. No.
A heartbreak on me. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me. It's a heartbreak, a heartbreak, a heartbreak on me.
I'm sure you're wondering why I called you.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
See, Pascal, I know everything that has been happening, that's been going on in this house. I know that the girl that was here was not for you. Her name is not even Maureen. She didn't come here on your invitation. Frederick pushed her on you just to cover his tracks. Am I right?
Ma, I am so sorry. I had to oblige my boss because he told...
It's fine, it's fine. I don't have anything against you. Okay? We're just being loyal. You see, Frederick, he has proven beyond reasonable doubt that he can never be responsible. He has dealt with me. He has humiliated me, betrayed me, has done all sorts of things, and I want to put a stop to that. It's enough. That's why I called you here, because I need your help.
My help? Ma, you're a good woman and I'll definitely want to help you.
Thank you. You see, I want us to fake a relationship.
You want us to fake a relationship?
Yes.
I don't understand.
I'll explain. I want us to pretend to be in a relationship. It's pretense, okay? You're not actually going to do it, okay? It's fake. It's just pretense. I want my husband to walk in on us, making out.
Ma, I'm sorry, I can't do it. I will lose my job, and there are no jobs anywhere in Nigeria. Me landing this one was a miracle.
Calm down. You're not actually going to do it. Of course, I can't condescend that low. It's just a pretense. I just want my husband to feel what I felt all this while. Okay? I want to give him a taste of his own medicine. All right? I want him to walk in on us making out. I want to see his reaction, how he will feel, how he will react, knowing that he has been doing this to me all along.
Okay? Please do this for me.
Mama, what if he sacks me? What if he fires me?
He's not going to sack you. Even if he does, I'll get you another job. I'll equally sort you out financially. Please do this for me. This is like a way of getting my own pound of flesh. Please, do this for me. I want him to walk in. I want him to feel what I've been feeling, what I've felt all this while, all the humiliation, all the betrayal, before serving him the divorce papers. Please, Pascal, do this for me. Please.
Babe, May has come. Seraphine's husband is nothing to write home about. In fact, he is not to be written among men.
Who could have believed that the best and sweetest internet couples aren't sweet in actual sense? But, baby, you fuck up.
How? Was I the one that told him not to control that thing in between his legs?
See, you shouldn't have told Seraphine about her husband's sexual harassment towards you. To me, it's not necessary.
Really? Oh, girl, I will tell her 1,000,000 times. Seriously. Telling her was the best thing. Listen, Seraphine is my best friend, and I wouldn't want anything that will hurt her.
Okay, now she is hurt and out of marriage. You shouldn't have told her. I felt that you saying it is not the best at all.
And then I love Frederick to continue in his dirty ways of life. So that she will keep treating from one disease to another, from one disease to another, from one virus to another, right? Is that what you want? Oh, excuse me, I have a lot to do.
Come on, you like this thing?
I don't.
Are you expecting anyone?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh.
I'll be right back. Coming. Coming. You're welcome.
Hello, wifey.
Yes.
Yo. How fun now? Babe, what's going on? Why are you guys here? You guys didn't tell me you were coming over.
Once again, gentlemen, you're welcome. So, like I said before, I invited you here so we could have dinner. And so I can officially invite you for our wedding anniversary party. The one my dear husband here forgot to invite you because he harbors other things that he considers better in his mind.
Baby, come on. You know that's not true. Come on. I would never prioritize other things above our anniversary. Okay? I'm sorry, baby. Come here, babe. Oh, so sweet. Babe. I'm sorry I forgot our anniversary. But inviting my friends over just to embarrass me? Come on, that's not fair.
That's not fair, you said? Frederick, can you hear yourself? This is our 2nd year anniversary, and you can't even remember the important things that matter to us. I mean, if you cannot remember our anniversary, what then is more important to you? Huh?
Baby, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you, okay?
Promised me joy. All you give is pain, tears and heartbreak. Dirty weakness.
Yeah, I'll join you shortly, don't worry. Where are you guys at the moment? Okay. I stepped out to get a few things. You decrease. I come. 10 minutes. Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Hey, baby. What's going on? Alright, we need to do this and we need to make it quick.
Really?
Yeah. I have a wedding anniversary to attend.
Wedding anniversary, you said. Still, you couldn't resist sneaking out to come and have with you.
What are you talking about, baby? Turn around.
You definitely know that I'm sweet and I'm in your right.
Yeah.
Are you scared? Are you insane? Huh? What are you doing with my wife?
Oh, enough. I said enough. Now you know how it feels. You know how it feels to be cheated on, to be betrayed, to be humiliated. I just gave you a taste of your own medicine. I'm done with this marriage. My lawyer will serve you the divorce papers.
Babe. Babe.
Tell me what to do.
Babe.
It is over for me.
Babe.
Tell me where to go from here. It is over for me. It is over.
Like I said, my lawyer will serve you the divorce papers. Have a nice life.
I apologize.
It is over. It is over for me.
You've been sleeping with my wife.
Don't try me. Listen, I'm a black belt now.
Oh, you have black belts.
I'm a black belt.
Oh, okay. Jack, free me. No, leave this guy. Oh, okay.
I'm a black.
How could you? How could you do such a thing? Don't just tell me that. How could you stoop so low? Your staff, you having something to do with your staff. Are you normal? Don't. You don't have anything to say to me. Having something to do with your staff? Are you normal? Hear yourself. Are you normal?
Can you calm down? Can you at least sit down? Sit down, let me explain.
Okay. Explain.
You called me, man.
Yes, please. Sit. I'm sure you're wondering why I called you.
Yes, ma, I am.
See, Pascal, I know everything that has been happening, that's been going on in this house. I know that the girl that was here was not for you. Her name is not even Maureen. She didn't come here on your invitation. Frederick pushed her on you just to cover his tracks. Am I right?
Ma, I am so sorry. I had to oblige my boss because he told...
It's fine. I don't have anything against you. Okay? We're just being loyal. You see, Frederick, he has proven beyond reasonable doubt that he can never be responsible. He has dealt with me. He has humiliated me, betrayed me, has done all sorts of things, and I want to put a stop to that. It's enough. That's why I called you here, because I need your help.
My help? Ma, you're a good woman and I'll definitely want to help you.
Thank you. You see, I want us to fake a relationship.
You want us to fake a relationship?
Yes.
I don't understand.
I'll explain. I want us to pretend to be in a relationship. It's pretense, okay? You're not actually going to do it, okay? It's fake. It's just pretense. I want my husband to walk in on us, making out.
Ma, I'm sorry, I can't do it. By the way, I will lose my job and there are no jobs anywhere in Nigeria. Me landing this one was a miracle.
Calm down. You're not actually going to do it. Of course, I can't condescend that low.
It's just a pretense. I just want my husband to feel what I felt all this while. Okay? I want to give him a taste of his own medicine. All right? I want him to walk in on us making out. I want to see his reaction, how he will feel, how he will react, knowing that he has been doing this to me all along. Okay? Please do this for me.
Ma, what if he sacks me? What if he fires me?
He's not going to sack you. Even if he does, I'll get you another job. I'll equally sort you out financially. Please do this for me. This is like a way of getting my own pound of flesh. Please, do this for me. I want him to walk in. I want him to feel what I've been feeling, what I've felt all this while, all the humiliation, all the betrayal, before serving him the divorce papers. Please, Pascal, do this for me. Please.
You are a genius. Seriously.
You're shouting, I'm disappointed. Don't you know your friend again? Don't you know what I can do?
You surprised me. Huh? You. Now I can take a chill pill.
Yeah,
Seriously.
baby. You need cold water.
I need chill water. Seriously. In fact, I need a nice block to cool. So you made me scream the whole of this place.
I was trying to explain to you. Yeah.
Come on,
Let me.
Come on, you were in
Let me.
Come down here. Come on.
Go down. What's going on here?
We meet again, but this time around on a different level. You shouldn't be confused because you already know what you did. You slept with my ex-husband, Frederick. Frederick didn't only sleep with you. He brought you into my matrimonial home and slept with you on my matrimonial bed. You defiled my home with your stupid, shapeless, smelling body. You and Frederick thought you were playing me. Boss, who is the pioneer now?
Answer her. Listen, if she asks you any question, give her a direct answer.
Yes. I'm sorry.
No, I don't need your apology. I just want you to tell me the reason you came to my home to destroy it. I need an answer from you.
Okay. Your husband approached me and I accepted him.
My husband approached you and you accepted him,
Yes.
knowing fully well that he's a married man. Knowing fully well. Listen, I'm no longer married to Frederick, but I took it upon myself to teach you a good lesson, okay? So that in your miserable life,
you will not go close to any married man again. Pascal, you know what to do.
What are you trying to do?
What does it seem like? Since you like sharing, you want to spice it up, you know? Make it very spicy. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
Hold on, she even came and she was eyeing me. She came and she was eyeing me.
Open it. Put it inside. Put it inside. Rub it.
Yes,
inside.
It fell on my head.
Yes. Inside. Yes.
Massage it.
Yes. Let's go. Let's begin. Come, deep.
Thank you so much, my good friend. I don't know what I could have done without you. You're such an amazing human. Thank you for supporting me, standing by me. In fact, for everything you did and still doing for me.
Amen, and bless you too. What are friends for? I did what I had to do for you to have peace and be happy once again. You know, don't worry. God will definitely bring you a better man. I mean, a man that will cherish you, that will love you, that will honor even your footsteps.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sure the love I have with you, but how am I sure that you are mine? You are everything to me.